I guide you to add two filters to your Instagram reels. So let's hop into Instagram. Go to the story icon over there. You can tap on the reel. You can select it from your gallery, or otherwise you can go through the camera. I'm selecting it from my gallery. So I'm selecting this video. So now if you need to add two filters, one thing you can do is that you can tap on the effects. You can add any of the filter. Let's say I'm tapping on heart bloom. So now you can see that has been added. If you tap on next, and from there you can save it as draft, and the draft has been saved. You can go to the drafts and again tap on that, and if you tap on edit, from there you can see you can again add a filter. There you can go for adding filters like this, Melbourne or Abu Dhabi, and you can tap on done. And if you tap on next, now two filters has been added to this reel. This is how you can add two filters for your Instagram reels. Thank you.